Welcome to the class of Eduauraa students. I am Sandeep Jain, your maths instructor. The procedure of multiplication using Nikhilam involves minimum number of steps, space, it saves time and will involve only mental calculation. The numbers taken can be either less or more than the base which you are considering. The difference between the number and the base is called deviation. Now students, deviation may be positive or negative. Positive deviation is written without the positive sign and the negative deviation will be written using the rekhank, that is the bar on the number. Take an example students. Suppose I want to multiply 89 with 105. Now look at this carefully. 89 with 105. Let's take the base as 100. What is the deviation of 89? It is minus 11. What is the deviation of 105? It is 5. So write down the deviations on the right side. Minus 11 and 0, 5. Multiply the deviations. Look at the steps. The numbers 89, 105. They are near the base 100. So right hand side will have two digits. Digit 1, digit 2, both are deviations. Minus 11 into 05. That's minus 55. Now come to the other side, the left side. What is left side? It is 89 plus 5. That's 94. First number plus the deviation of the second number. So 94 will be written. It is 89 plus 5. You can also visualize it as 105 minus 11. Both will give you 94. Then in the next step, we borrow 1 from the left hand side because you have a negative sign. So 94 becomes 93. You give 100 to the right hand side because the base is 100. So 93 and then you have 100 minus 55, which is 45. So your answer students for 89 into 105 will be 9345. This is the way you get the answer in this formula. Consider the next example. Suppose you want to multiply 98 with 99. You want 98 into 99 because the base is 100. So do the deviation. Step 1, minus 2, that's 98 minus 100, and minus 1, that's 99 minus 100. The product of the deviations is 2. Now either do 98 minus 1, which is 97, or 99 minus 2, which is again 97. So your formula will be 97. Because you have only 2, you add a 0 because we are working in the base of 100. So 9702. Your final product students will be 9702. Now students, we'll look at multiplication of 3 numbers. We'll look at this through formula Nikhilam based on the base. Nikhilam Sutra says subtraction of a number from the nearest power of 10, that is 10, 100, 1000, etc. The powers of 10 from which the difference is calculated is called the base. These numbers are considered to be references. Find out whether the given number is less or more than these references, that is the base. If the given number is 104, the nearest power of 10 is 100, that will be the base. The difference between the base and the number is 4, which is positive. This is called Nikhilam. The deviation will be called the Nikhilam. Multiplication using Nikhilam Sutra is used when numbers are very close to powers of 10, that is 10, 100, 1000, etc. So suppose we want to multiply students 21, 22 and 23. So we want to find out 21 into 22 into 23. How do we do it? Write down the numbers, write down the deviations, take the base as 20. So plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. The deviation of 21 is 1, 22 is 2 and 23 is 3. Now to any number add the deviation of the other two numbers. So 21 plus 2 plus 3, that's 26, or 22 plus 1 plus 3, again 26, or you can do 23 plus 1 plus 2, that's 26. Look at the bottom step. 21 plus 2 plus 3 will be multiplied by 2 square because the base is 20. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 3, this will be multiplied by 2. The middle part, left part is 2 square into 21 plus 2 plus 3, that's the deviation sum. The middle part will be twice of 1 into 2, look at the deviation, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 3. Because the base is 20, we are multiplying by 2. And the last column is simply the product of the deviation. So what do you get? 104, 22 and 6. Carry this 2 to the left side, it becomes 106. Your answer is 10626. That's the product of 21, 22, 23.